So when you first take delivery of your Tesla, it is nice. However, the pedals in the car, it look kind of ranky-danky. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your pedals from looking like this to that. And we're starting right now. So I received these pedals here from EVBASE. These are EVBASE pedals for your Model 3 and Y. And the good thing with this is you see the black lines going. That's actually non-slip pedals for your Model Y. And this is high quality material, so you don't have to worry about it falling off whenever you're driving or slipping off. It will hold very well on there. And as you can see right here, that it will just go right in. And I tried other pedals out before and I actually like cut and bruised my hand a little bit because it was so tough. This is actually elastic, and also it has like little handles here in order for whenever you install it, you can pull it and put it on the car. And you can get yours and any accessory for your Tesla at EVBASE.com when you use the promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. So the first thing that we want to do in the car is we're going to start with the brake pedal. You're just going to pull off the existing brake pedal. As you can see here, it is on here a little tight, so you just got to take your time and it comes right off. So that's pretty much it. This is a very easy install. Now we're going to take the EVBASE pedal. Do y'all see the difference already? Dull, plain, vibrant, looks amazing. So what you want to do is we're just going to walk this right around. So we're just going to go and take the pedal here. You see that little flap? We're just going to pull it down, pull this flap down in the front, and we're just going to just make sure that everything is right on. And I'm actually going to give it a tug because the last thing you want to happen whenever you drive is to fall off, and that looks amazing. So you can see right here, this is actually the pedal that we're looking at, and it is a tight fit going all the way around. So the key is that you want to start from right to left, closest to the accelerator over, and you will have an easier time with that. If you start from left to right, then you're going to find yourself struggling a little bit over there. Now we're going to get on over to the accelerator, and again, the flap is here, and this is great because there's no drilling required, there's no welding or anything else, and the accelerator is actually going to go over the existing accelerator pedal. So we're going to start again from right to left, and we are going to tuck the bottom end right here, take this flap and pull it right over onto the accelerator, and up, and it clicked. So this is the accelerator that we're looking at, and as you can see going around, it is all tug. So after you get both of them on there, we're just going to go on and give it a little tug test, and as you can see, that is a good install. So that's how we installed the foot pedals onto the Tesla. And remember, you can get those foot pedals as well as any accessory for your Tesla or your EV at EVBASE.com. And if you use the special code JustFrugalMe at checkout, you can get 15% off of any accessory. And check out the videos over there more about accessories in your Tesla, and I will see you in the next video.